Hello, in this video we're gonna perform the camera zoom test on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. We're gonna check how it looks like with the zoom, if there is a focus, if we lose focus while zooming in. So right now I'm not using any zoom and there might be some troubles with the focus, but it looks pretty good. So let's actually start using zoom one by one. So ×3 works fine. ×5, we have lost some focus, so let's try to readjust it. And as you can see, if you put the camera too close to the object, we lose the focus, so we need to stay away a bit. Let's use ×10 now. It's still fine, but as we zoom in, we lose the focus. I don't think that's how it's supposed to be. It's quite hard to keep the focus. Yeah, so it is quite difficult, but let's move on with the next zoom. So we have ×20 now. Let me try to find the piece of paper because we are using now different lenses. Let's zoom out even more. Okay, there we go. And as you can see, it's completely blurred. It's really hard to find the focus. I'm trying to zoom out as much as I can. Oh, there we go. Okay, we have the focus. We are using now slightly over ×20 zoom, but it is difficult to maintain the zoom, so I'm gonna hold my camera like this to try to increase it for a sec. The zoom looks good. If you manage to get the focus, then the zoom is really good. I'm using ×20 and everything is readable, everything is clear, as long as of course the focus is there. So let's try to zoom in even more. We have ×80 now. So if you keep the distance from the object, then you can actually use the zoom quite well. So I would say the camera zoom works really well. We also have stabilization now. As you can see, the camera tries to maintain the text on the screen even though my hand is shaking a little bit at this point. So I would say it's pretty decent. If you try to use it on objects that are really small, then keep in mind that you have to keep the distance from the camera. So I would say it's pretty great. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!